How to add Dogecoin to your portfolio on CoinMarketCap. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add Dogecoin to your portfolio on CoinMarketCap. First thing, go to the app. This is the home page as you can see right here. Now go down and click on your portfolio. This is my portfolio. As you can see, I have only those assets. I don't have Doge coin, as you can see. Now if you want to add it, just click here or on add new asset, or you can click here in the top corner. Now it will take you to this page. Search for Dogecoin here, and here is it. If you didn't find it, you can search for it in the search bar like this. And after you find it, all what you have to do is click on it. Now click on this USD option, choose the amount of money, for example $100, and click add transaction. Don't forget to like and subscribe.